when families light lamps to illuminate the night. It celebrates the return of Lord Rama and his queen, Sita, to Ayodhya after spending 14 years in exile. Since he was very near and dear to the people, they welcomed Lord Rama with lighting lamps. Thus Diwali has been celebrated with lights and fireworks. Saints from Sanskrit tradition believed that there could be various interpretations to the Diwali festival and to the character Ram. Whether Ram, the son of King Dashrath, was a normal human being, or he resides in everyone's heart, which is mind, and mind could be like a thousand-headed serpent. Or he is a creator of the universe, which is the Trikaldarshi, which is Brahman. Or he could be the real supreme God, who is eternal, ever existing, infinite, omnipresent. Ram is still alive, and his living can be interpreted and lived in many ways. As Kabir says, एक राम दशरथ का बेटा, एक राम घट घट में बैठा, एक राम का सकल पसारा, एक राम सबहु से न्यारा. Come, let us see the musical performance in the form of the presentation of Ram and how he can be perceived in different ways. Salutations to that Ram, who is the son of King Dashratha, who is also known as Maryada Purushottam and is known for his perseverance and patience, the one who is brave and fearless. Salutations to the Ram, which is in everyone's gut, which is mind. Mind or man is very powerful, and if befriend can be great helper to reach the true goal of one's life. Celebrations to the third Ram, which has created this Brahman, who is mighty and powerful, and Swami or master of the lower three regions. Salutations to the fourth Ram, which is the word Naam or Shabd, the very holy current of God, closest to all of us, characterized by love. By linking with it, our love not only extends to our family, but to each and every one of us. I'll repeat one more time. As Kabir says, Ek Ram Dashrath ka beta, Ek Ram ghat ghat mein baitha, Ek Ram ka sakal pasara, Ek Ram sabhu se hai. So let us learn to live like Ram and learn to befriend our mind. Respect the power of Brahman and connect to the word or Naam for which we are born in this physical world. As Rajinder Singh Ji Maharaj says, it is a time to reflect upon the importance of lighting our inner lamps. The light of the soul, by meditating daily, we can see for ourselves the light of God burning within. As we meditate and go within, we see the same light of God that shines in us, glowing in all other people as well. Happy Diwali to all. I would like to introduce all my characters here, which played a tremendous, wonderful job and did a great job. I would start with Ram. Maryada Purushottam Ram's role was played by Arushi Kanchal. And Hausen Headed Serpent, which is mine, very important. Role was played by Navya Gupta. Brahman's role, which is played by Mihika. Satnam Satpurush Anami role was played by Krish Mehni. And beautiful dancers who came up on their own with these dance moves, Shalja and Arpa.